excited. 4 years, we're back on the cruise. We are celebrating our 7th wedding anniversary with a Alaskan cruise.
Norwegian cruise line. Norwegian Bliss.
Sail away party at what time? 4:07. Bye, Seattle. It's still coming in.
Alright, so this is day 1 here in NCL Alaska cruise. So the weather is perfect. Ooh, zoom out. Oh, zoom in. This is our first day. Although it's cold, but the sun is out, so it's nice. So how do you feel? Your
Nice.
first
First
Alaskan
day.
cruise.
Yes. I'm loving it.
We eat twice already.
I told Ian that was just my snack at 5 p.m. He said, no, it's your dinner. I said, no, it's my snack. Day 2.
Alright, so this is day 2 here in Norwegian Bliss. Let's do it.
Cruisers, this is the cruise director. Current time is 10:05 as we're around the horn, your Food Republic cooking demonstration. Where
So it's freezing outside,
Not really.
but we're on the open deck, so it's kind of a little bit cold.
But that's nice.
Look at your hair.
I know it.
This is the deck 16 where the pool area is. Slides for kids. That's their like party TV. A big screen right there.
Hello. Welcome.
So we're heading to a garden cafe for a...
So there's 5 choices, 5 restaurants for a street breakfast, but 3 that we've been to are already closed because it's 10. So we're heading to the buffet.
Cool.
Oh yeah.
We're trying to find something to do.
Yeah.
Than walking around and just eating like what I've been doing for the past 2 hours. Oh, I was looking at the food. What's going on? Okay. What time right now? It's 11:43.
Oh, here's 11. Observation Lounge, Audio Lecture, Alaska Marine Wildlife.
Oh, it's an audio lecture.
So for us, it works fine.
Alright, so we're here at one of the restaurant and I just ordered a appetizer because
This is not mine, that's yours.
I'm still full. So all these like just digging it. Anyway, so a popcorn shrimp. I thought it was big but it's so small. And then the nachos and a chocolate mousse. Audie's waiting for her entry. What did you get?
I ordered late because I can't think. But can I have some of your food?
Alright, dig in.
It's gonna be so cold outside, but it's okay. I can manage.
Alright, so we're here at deck 8 and we're on the ship side. Look at that. Those are the balcony rooms, with balcony I mean. And then that's the overextending slide. And I'm gonna drop my camera. What do you think? I should drop it, right? So shiny.
Shiny. Na, na, na.
La, la, la. Alright, so here we go. Alright, so we're here in our cabin, our mini cabin, and look at that. I think most of the cruise ship they do that. And this is a rabbit, I think. Room tour, bed, makeup mirror, TV, water or mini bar, restroom, all this inside, and this is our closet. Small, but it's doable. Alright, and there's also a space inside underneath of the bed. We put our luggage. Where's the luggage thing? So this is an inside room, so there's no window. We're in the forward part of the ship. This is the most cheapest room you could get, but for me it's okay, as long as my wife is happy not to spend too much. Alright, so this is our day 2, and see you on tomorrow for day 3. Bye. Alright, good morning. This is our day 3 here on the cruise, and we're arriving at Juneau, Alaska.
What time?
So probably we arrive at 2:30. The time is brought to you by Alaxan FR. Wala pa ring tatalo sa Alaska. Anyway, so we are going to Mendenhall Glacier and Garden excursion. Cost us like $114 for 3 hours, and we'll see how it goes. Here I went up to shoot some time lapse. I saw a whale reaching out. It's so big.
Were there a lot of people?
Yeah, there's a lot of people, and yeah, we're approaching Juneau, Alaska. Juneau is the capital of Alaska, and it's the second largest city in the US by area. And I think this first one is also in Alaska.
All in mass area, second largest.
What's that one?
What is the first?
It's
Skagway, Ketchickan,
no,
Anchorage.
No. Anchorage, I think. I'm not sure, but just Google Maps it. Anyway, let's roll. It's so funny because we planned to take a photo, and
I
then
asked him to take a picture of me, and then because I took out the card already, like a couple minutes later, the lights went off, and that's when he clicked.
it's like 1, 2, 3, and then lights off. I was like, what the heck? But anyway, well, I think we'll just go to the Garden Cafe because it's kind of like overlooking rather than on a restaurant.
Let's not eat a lot because I want to eat lunch before we leave for the excursion.
Mendenhall Glacier Park.
Mendenhall Glacier.
Yes, so I don't know what's glacier before, but now I know. So it's kind of like a moving river of ice slowly. It's a body of ice.
Wow.
Is it cold? Not really. So look at that. That view is such a wonderful view. And there's a falls behind on that rocks. We're going over there. And then there's one iceberg from there. Just floating.
We survived.
We survived on the first obstacle, which is kind of like slippery rocks. But this is the closest spot that we could get into near to the glacier. So still there's a lot of people over here. Oh, look at that. That's the glacier.
So serious, quick.
So serious. I'm on Zoom too. So that's the Mendel Glacier. Alright, this is the obstacle that I was saying earlier. And people are, some of them having hard time to pass through. So I don't think so this a wheelchair can do this. But just to let you know, that's the obstacle right there. So a little bit tricky and slideish. Alright, man, it's a glacier.
If it's on the side, glaciers carve mountains. And you can see the evidence of that when you see a piece like this. This is all sorts of glacier silt in it, so not so pure in this case. That's little bits of rock that is ground down to dust. And this will be deposited in the lake. It washes out to the ocean, and glacial silt forms a very important food base for many of the marine organisms out there. So if you've gotten to enjoy sighting whales, or maybe you've had a nice fillet of salmon, a lot of that's because we have glacial silt in the area. It goes out to sea, it's taken up by the little phytoplankton, little plants out there. It's got iron, phosphorus, magnesium, all sorts of things plants need to grow and thrive. Little zooplankton eat up those phytoplankton. Small fish will eat the zooplankton, and so on, right up to salmon.
Look at this upside down tree. And then the moss is grown. So
we are a temperate rainforest, so we do have the 4 seasons. Just usually in Juneau, that's wetter, wettest, and winter. But you guys got a great day. Now, granite isn't indigenous to this area, but we are going to be rolling up on this big old boulder on the left of us. And they're saying it came to us from Canada. I have no idea how they can tell that. But if you're from Canada, there's your rock.
wow, that's from Canada?
We're now at 500 elevation mark. I'm going to take you up to 580, and then you're going to walk the rest of the way to the 600.
Here at the one of the gardens here in Juneau, which is, I don't know what's the name, but 580 feet above sea level.
That lady is talent. Like she can talk while driving in that very narrow road.
All right, let's just. So we're here at Glacier, Alaska Garden. It was nice. Rainforest plus gardens. No, eagle's nest. The eagle.
Oh, they have, oh yeah, that's the one she's staring. That is a camera out there.
All right, so
It's drizzling, bro.
we're here at downtown Juneau. So there are 5 crews right now here in Juneau, and Audie's like, I wanna go shop. So Juneau, I Juneau that
Don't you know?
it's a state capital of Alaska. Good morning, people. So today is day 4. We have arrived at Skagway, and it's drizzling. It's cold outside. So today we're going the White Path railroad excursion. So we'll be on the train for about 3 hours round trip. It cost us 124 each.
Really?
Yes. But we'll see how it goes. And
You hurt and offended? You spent that much?
not really. It's just that being here is expensive. But I think it's worth it. Like yesterday, it's worth it. And we'll be here.
Yeah, that was a nice tour yesterday.
What?
That was a nice tour yesterday.
Oh, I thought you said that was a nice store. I was like, you only do shopping.
No, I only shop one time.
So we'll be here like 12 hours. I hope we'll be back in the ship probably like 2 o'clock or so, lunchtime. And then we're gonna do the rail race.
Oh, really? What time?
Yeah, it's like 6. I hope the rain stops on that time. Yeah, so that is today. And also I'm gonna do a little bit.
You forgot one thing.
One thing.
There's a show.
Yeah,
one
there's
that you wanna
also a
watch.
show that's going, but anyway, let's roll. So we're here at Skagway, their downtown area.
We're at the downtown area. Not bad. We just got done with the
White Pass Railway.
the White Pass Scenic Railway. Right. That was 3 hours. That's
This is the truly Alaska. Wala pa rin totoo sa Alaska. Look at that, the snow caps. And that area right there is the Skagway downtown, or Skagway Valley. And look at the view. Oh, they just left me. We're just chilling out here.
hello.
But the view is so nice. We're here at deck 8, and this cruise ship has like 18 deck.
20.
I don't think so. I think 18.
18 is Haven Suites, and then 19 and 20 is the swimming pool area, the racetrack, and laser tag.
Oh really? Let's just give you a tour. Cruise ship tour. We're walking at the back of the boat, or stern of the boat, and there's one cruise ship also called Royal Princess, and I think they're more bigger than us, but who cares? So that's the Royal Princess. I think that's a Royal Caribbean company, and this is the stern of the ship. On the right side of me is a restaurant called Manhattan. It's dark, but when you eat there, you can see the back of the boat. And we're still ashore here at Skagway, people are coming back because we're leaving at 7:30, I believe. We're heading up in the mountains. No, I'm just kidding. Heading up on the floor and see, because we have like 6:30 schedule to do the race car thing. We have not indoor, on board racetrack go-kart thing. We have to reserve, and we're about to go to the elevator. So this is the port side of the ship. Earlier we're on the starboard side, which means the right side. On top are the balconies. That thing right there is the pool, the overside pool. And then that thing right there is the bridge wing, where the captain and the pilot managed to land the boat. Also, oh, it's a sheep. So to point it out, you have to press that thing in order to open. So we're here inside 8th floor. This is one of their stairway, and we're going to the elevator. So these are their duty free and their shops, binoculars and everything. So this is touch. No, that's not touch. So this is the elevator. So this is a typical, you can see.
Where are we going? 17?
Yes. People just leave the glass thing over there. Oh, I love that show, Jersey Boys.
We're gonna watch it tomorrow. Oh, Havana, we're gonna watch that tonight.
Yeah, so what else I could say? No, can say. We're going to 17th floor. I think that's the highest level that we could get. Oh, 17 already. Oh, hey, let's go here. Oh, we've been there. So just go on the right side. There's a margaritas bill over here. You can drink. Look at that. Good thing is the sun is out. Earlier it's cloudy, overcast it's cold, but this weather is perfect. I have a big screen over there. There's pool, there are kids pool. Just amazing. So nice view. Sun is out. So that's it for now. For all the cinematics. Alright, good morning. This is our day 5 here in the NCL. So this is our activities list, but actually this day 5 is just a sea day, but we're inside in a glacier bay where there's people from the Glacier National Park will discuss or give us an information tour while on ship. So they're already on board and we're heading up there and listen to their presentations. By the way, this is the view of front of the ship. That's the bridge cam from the bridge.
Today we get to explore about 3.3 million.
Alright, so we'll head up and listen to this thing. Alright, so we're on top deck waiting for the turn of the ship to see the Grand Pacific Glacier. So half of the day we're inside the glacier bay and just watching all this glacier. A little bit cold here, but we're spinning now. Look at those mountains at the back, snow caps. Also, if you don't know this, the water is green because of the microorganism or the planktons inside or in the water. I wish I bring a vlog kit of mine.
Yeah, I told you. That's why I bundled up.
That's why I bundled up. Yeah. My sipon is tulo-tuloing. Look at those. There's like a small waterfalls. Look at that one too, right there.
How could those ice still not melt?
I know. Look at those.
They're already in the water.
Look at that islets. Alright, so that is correction. It's not the Grand Pacific Glacier, but it's called the Marjorie Glacier. That one right there. So the Grand Pacific Glacier is somewhere on that area, and it's bordered by Canada and United States. But I think the Grand Pacific Glaciers dried out already. So that is the Marjorie Glacier. I would like to introduce my co-host, Audie. But she's just taking photos. So
It's nice outside.
it's really nice.
Love it.
I wish
I'm
I
glad you woke me up.
True that. I wish I could bring my whole family here next time. Not this year.
Yeah. Gusto na ko si mama man. My mama. And my aunties. And my cousins.
Yeah. If you could see the bottom of that part is the bow thruster of the ship to help the ship turn in a specific spot. If you could see that line all the way around, that's the ship's bow trail. So from that area to there, that's the spin point. I used to know this before, but now I still know. Wow! So that's the glacier right there.
It's cold now.
Oh, is that? It's cold.
It's nice, but it's so cold.
We'll just call it for the day.
Closely at these glaciers. Astonishment. That's from the Latin tonus, thunder, to be struck as by lightning, when a sudden flash startles us, and just for the briefest of moments we see the world with uncommon clarity. That's one of the definitions of wonder. Many were astonished to learn of the sudden advance of the Grand Pacific Glacier and its many tributaries, followed by such a dramatic great retreat of the glaciers themselves in a very, very short period of time, making this rich and productive ecosystem as illustrated here by the Muir Glacier in the late 1800s and in 2005. Gives you a little sense of how quickly these glaciers can retreat. Icebergs born of the tidewater glaciers are very important for several different reasons. When the tidewater glacier tumbles headlong into the sea, it gives us these frigid rafts, these floating icebergs, and harbor seals come here by the thousands. I was also glad you were able to find, I hope, so many of the harbor seals in front of Marjorie Glacier. They kind of look like that, where it's just a little peppering of pepper on the ice. So these sausages on ice come here to Glacier Bay to give birth, nurse, and raise their cubs, and they rely on these icebergs.
Anak, ma'am, ha? Good posture, ma'am. Okay, kanak, ma'am. Okay, say hi, ma'am. Smile, ma'am. Smile. Okay, slow mo na siya, ma'am, no? Ay, pagka-conscious yung tiyan, ma'am. Project, ma'am, project. Kana, no? Ana, no? Backline, ma'am, no? Tanaw dito sa ano, wala daw kay kabayad sa utang ni mo, ma'am. Okay, tanaw. Ano, ma'am, gitog no, dok. Alright, so we're here at one of the restaurants here in Cruz, and they gave us a anniversary special with this a cake and a song. I forgot to vlog the song, but anyway, this is the cake. This is our 7th anniversary with my lovely wife Ode. 7th year anniversary. Yay! Anyway, so this is day 6 here in Norwegian Bliss, and we're here at Ketchickan, the salmon capital of the world.
Which is true.
I hope I could see salmon, but we didn't book any excursion because we only stay here for 5 hours. So we arrived like 7 o'clock. People are going down around this time, 8 o'clock, and we should be here at 12:45. So we'll just take a look on their front street, and I hope that people or Ode will not shop too long because we have to get back to the ship. Anyway, this is Ketchickan has to offer.
And we glide through a cold night, and I cry on the passenger side. I got everything I wanted, so I kinda just enjoy it. Evening sun paints us a scene, and autumn leaves fall quietly. But if the world is beautiful, then why don't I feel it in me? I'll feel better in the morning, when the fog is thick and the birds are calling. Put a video on just to hear somebody talking.
It's so cool that the street is on top of a brick. Look at that. It's like
Oh, that's nice.
it's like canal. Alright, so 3 days, guys. 3 days.
It's in Costco.
3 days Costco. Alright, so we're almost done on the Ketchickan tour, our sightseeing tour. So we're going back to the ship, and Ode is tired. She got something for us. So there's like 5 cruise ship right now. Alright, bye.
Energy to care. No, no, no.
Ode is happy due to the fact that we ordered I don't know what it's called, but I thought it was small, but it is big. $8 for this thing.
Wait, this is not bad. It's a cheese kalibayan.
For real. So we're just chilling out here, and yeah, one of the servers here is Bisaya as well, taga Davao. Anyway, so this is day 6, and we're almost done for the day. And tomorrow we'll be arriving at Victoria, which I don't know if we're going out. Because we arrived there like late, like 5 or 6. So we'll see. Right, so this is day 7, and we're heading to Victoria, British Columbia. But we'll arrive at nighttime, and the ship is rolling as bad. Ode is like feels seasick already. Anyway, gotta go to eat. Anywho, we're going to start pack, and we're leaving tomorrow super early, like 8 or something. So yeah, and I don't know if we're going out in Victoria due to the fact that Ode is not feeling well. And also, we will be staying at Victoria only for 3 hours. So I don't know if it's worth to go around. We'll see if what Ode wants, Ode gets. Right, so we made it here in Victoria. So the dock, or not the ferry, but the cruise ship terminal is a little bit farther. I think it's like 15-minute walk to the downtown where the Parliament building is. And if you ride a bus, $15 round trip, every 20 minutes departure. So by the way, that's our view right there. That's the Norwegian Bliss by Wayland. So I think we're just gonna walk, going to downtown, same as like do like a sightseeing tour, or not tour but sightseeing. So Holland America line right there, and then this Star Princess, it's kind of like different looking ship or cruise. And there's a walkway right there. I don't know where it goes, but I think we'll just try it from there.
Take a picture of all three.
I don't know, madam. So yeah, we're here at Victoria, British Columbia. Give you a quick montage. Oh, this scared, so she just ran away. My gosh.
Neat.
Look at that.
Very neat.
Real clean as well.
Yeah. It's a nice neighborhood.
Yeah, and it's so clean, so quiet. I feel like in a subdivision thing.
Exercise pa more.
Yeah, but it's a good walk.
So
it's not that cold.
How much was it? $15 per person to go there. So
yeah,
both of us 30. You know what? Let's just walk and let's buy the $30 for food.
Yeah, so this would be our second time here in Victoria. The first time we went here is like I think 2 years ago. But this time is we're on the cruise, so it's just limited time. Probably. Probably like yeah, we'll only stay here for 3 hours. Which kind of sucks,
3?
but yeah.
I don't think so. It's always
so 8:30 to 11:30.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
That's what they said, but and then tomorrow morning, early morning, we'll arrive at Seattle around 6 or 7, and then 9 would be depart, because that's our schedule. Look at that house. Oh, that's a garage.
Actually, what I...
So we're here at Gozen, downtown Victoria, because someone is craving for rice. And you know who is he?
There's rice in the ship, but it's
this
different.
Lady right here is craving for rice. So she ordered a bibimbap. Okay, so you have to finish like in 10 seconds, okay?
10 seconds.
Alright, so this would be also our last stop. Tomorrow we'll be heading to Seattle. And I highly recommend Alaska Cruise. Whether you do it from a different company, either Norwegian or Holland, but as long as it's Alaska. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.
I love you.